to BankX. BankX is the first cryptocurrency to pay you interest for minting a stablecoin. There's also a way to earn more tokens by locking up your tokens in what we call token lockup rewards. Because what we've done with the BankX NFT has never been done in cryptocurrency and has never been done with a stablecoin project. The collection is called Currency Creators, and there's 5,000 NFTs available. There are 4 images, so each image has 1,250 NFTs. There are 3 reasons why you would buy the BankX NFT. First, it boosts your rewards in the token lockup reward, so each NFT boosts your rewards by 10%, and you can lock up a maximum of 5 NFTs per token lockup. Secondly, the system pays each NFT the BankX stablecoin called XSD at each certain TVL milestones of the system. So at the first 100 million TVL, each NFT gets 1,000 XSD stablecoin. Thereafter, at each $100 million milestone or TVL milestone, each NFT is paid 200 XSD. You also get private membership in a group in Telegram and Discord that is called the Currency Creators Group. It's exclusive to NFT owners. We also have a referral program where you earn 10% of the sale of the NFT for every person you refer that purchases an NFT. Each NFT purchase is done with the native blockchain token, so ETH or BNB, and your commission is sent directly to your wallet at the time of sale. So that's all handled within the smart contract and sent directly to your wallet at the time of purchase for the people that you've referred. So you do not need to be an NFT owner to participate in the referral program, and it is a great way to get the cryptocurrency to buy the NFT. To get your referral link, just visit www.bankx.io, click on NFT, and then connect your wallet. You'll see your referral link. Or go to the BankX web app, and that is at app.bankx.io. Connect your wallet, and you'll see your referral link at the lower left. If you haven't read the Currency Creators Manifesto at the website, please do so at www.bankx.io. It'll give you the reason why BankX was built, and it flows into the meaning of the NFT. And so I'd like to go through the NFT images to give you the meaning behind the NFT. So these are the 4 NFT images with our unique NFT badge. After reading the Currency Creators Manifesto, you'll see that we at BankX believe that currency should be created by and benefit the individual. That when you create currency, it's with complete autonomy. It's where it's just you and the blockchain. So you own the collateral, you mint the stablecoin, you earn interest, you lock up your tokens for more rewards, and then you can do other things within the system to profit within BankX. So this first image shows an unknown minter bringing value into the system, and we represent that with a silver bar because our XSD stablecoin is designed to peg the price of 1 gram of silver, which we think is a much better inflationary hedge than the US dollar. The second image, called Transformation, shows the transition or transformation from that value into the stablecoin, where the third image shows you the XSD stablecoin. The last image, called Electricity, is to signify that once people start using BankX, they'll see the value that it brings, and it'll spread throughout the cryptocurrency community, and then also to people who are not yet in cryptocurrency. So that is the NFT image, and you can learn more at www.bankx.io. And if you have not joined our community, you can join our Telegram, Twitter, or YouTube, and all of those are at BankX.io. Thanks very much.